Senator Marcoleta, ito naman, siya naman, have been, well, out in the open, no? As in, it's a brazen way of telling, para bang, he's so, I'm looking for a politically correct word to say it, but people see all of his mistakes right there out in the open, you know, like with this, the Sal-en and the Sauce and all these things. And yet, he's getting, well, short of saying, he's getting away with all of this. What are the sentiments of people in you know, when it comes to this?
Right. Well, hindi naman, meron kasi kaming listahan ng mga ano ng mga parang good and bad performing senators on the basis of public
Good and
perception,
bad.
hindi to actual performance. No? So, ano
Public
naman,
perception.
Para, yes,
Let's
public
get that.
perception.
Let's get
Yeah.
that.
So, ano naman, nasa middle naman dyan si Senator Marcoleta. So, I think when I look at that, ang nakikita ko talaga kay Senator Marcoleta, it's actually a very good case study at present of yung talagang changing media landscape. Kasi hindi, parang maraming ngayon pa din nagtatanong, saan ba galing si Senator Marcoleta?
Actually,
and how did he make it to the Senate?
Right.
But that's because there's a channel, yung may specific na population na iba yung kinukonsume na information, they know him, and actually, sila din yung audience ni Senator Marcoleta. Kaya si Senate parang sasabihin
so it's a
nila
dedicated audience, is that what you're
parang,
saying?
would you think that he just made that honest mistake na sinabi niya na oh, hindi ko dineclare to sa SOSECO? He's a lawyer eh. So I don't think that's the case eh. I think that he knows that his audience, yun yung audience na pinapangalagaan niya. That's his constituency. So tingin ko, ano siya, fascinating case study tuloy siya na may mga bago ng pamamaraan talaga ng pagpasok sa politika. But definitely, of course, the disappointment naman as an ordinary citizen is with, for example, the Commission on Elections. No?
Right.
Dapat walang untouchables. Kasi otherwise, again, not a good example na merong nakakatakas na, you know, you don't declare your expenses properly and you admit to it. No?
And you admit to it, it's perjury already, di ba?
Not even parang walang kahit konti na tayong naramdaman from the COMELEC, no? About it.
And he wasn't even remorseful about it. Si Senator Marcoleta, which is like, hindi, sinabi ko na lang na, you know, to me. Kaya alam mo, kaya katuwa siya sa public perception and the public that he caters to. Siguro, ako baka biktima rin ako dyan. Kasi minsan, hindi, sinabi ko na lang, wag na, pare. Sabi kasi, Brad, wag mo na isulat pangalan mo. Ganun ba? Okay na kaibigan to si Marcoleta. Diba?
Diba? And diba, parang pwede mo siyang kainuman eh.
Diba?
Ako nga, hindi ko dineclare. Ang galing mo naman, ang lakas mo naman, diba?
Lakas mo, pare. Paano yan? Nalaman na. Hindi, okay lang yan. Diba?
Tsaka, kaya, well, hindi po inuman session ng Senado.